Who wouldn't want to take home a film of the Louvre seen from above? With its multiple monuments, the French capital, Paris, is a very attractive destination for drone pilots. Unfortunately, what's supposed to be an unforgettable souvenir sometimes becomes one for a different reason. This is when the amateur drone pilot gets arrested and prosecuted for breaking the very strict French drone laws. The French drone laws have been reinforced regularly since the use of drones for leisure purpose has developed. Under the current drone laws, Paris has been classified as a no-fly zone. This means it's not allowed to fly a drone in any place in Paris, either public or private. Civilian drone pilots face a livelihood challenge, with police systematically rejecting requests to fly drones over Paris. The reasons are to protect the public from the risk represented by falling drones, and for security concerns regarding the use of drones as potential weapons.